Alright, we got a Lennox g43 here. I'm sure some other models have the same flame sensor placement. I myself don't ever clean flame sensors, but you certainly could. I watched a video last night where he went in through the top. He had to pull this off and the top off, but flame sensor cleaning, they don't last as long as replacement, so I was replacing the flame sensor on this g43 here. Is back there, and it's tucked up under, you can see it sticking up in the burner box maybe, but it's sticking up right above that white wire back there, right there. So you cannot get a stubby nut driver on there because this rubber housing is in the way. The only tool for that is a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 2-inch 1/4 inch socket, and you get in there with this thing just like that, and that takes that 1/4 inch nut or screw out of that flame sensor. And even when you get it out of there, that's the easiest part. Now you got to get the screw back in the hole and feed that thing back up in there. So it's a complete nightmare, but that is your only avenue, unless you want to take the whole top end of the furnace apart and clean it, which is not the best situation because cleaning a flame sensor only lasts about a year at best, and then you're back here doing it again. It's always best to replace.